Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, where we turn simple ingredients into heavenly dishes. Today, we're making tahini bread recipe. It's easy, delicious, and perfect for any meal. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, crack 4 large eggs. Add 1 cup of tahini, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. These simple ingredients will transform into a soft keto and low-carb bread. Mix everything very well until it's smooth and creamy. You'll want all the ingredients to blend nicely. Once your batter is ready, pour it into a 15 cm oven-friendly container. Make sure it's evenly spread out. For that final touch, sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. This adds a nutty flavor and a gorgeous look to the bread. Now, pop it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it, and do the toothpick test. If it comes out clean, your tahini bread is ready. Thank you so much for joining me today on Heaven's Kitchen. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!